Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices settings. In them, choose Bluetooth section and tap on the sweater if it's not already on. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one, in my case this one. Now you need to select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a while my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, select this icon next to the device and choose Unpair. If you wish to connect to the same one, just click on it and tap on Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!